When I say document how much you've read in your reading schedule, what do I mean? So I'm going to show you. So remember 2 weeks ago now, it's been a while, you did this. This is called create a reading schedule. You had to pick a book. So you picked a book, you created a reading schedule right here. And this is what mine looked like. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to copy this, which is filled in. So I'm going to copy this one because that one's mine. Then you're supposed to paste it over here and then change it. So the original that I did was this one, right? Maybe paste. There we go. And then I changed it to what I'm actually doing. And then as I go, I'll change it. And that's totally fine to change it and stuff. Just mark down the adjustments. So on March 30th, 2020, I'm no longer going to read Michael Vey. I'm going to read The Giver instead. So I changed the schedule. And then as you pick more books, you change. So like what happens if I read all of The Giver in 2 weeks? Maybe I read 1 to 120 on the first week and then 120 to 180 the second week. So then I would just down here, I'd put like, I don't know, week 2 might be April 3rd, 2020. I finished The Giver, so I changed my reading schedule, and next I'm going to read Michael Vey. Yay. It's totally okay to change it. It's also okay to adapt it if you don't go as quickly. The point of the reading schedule is to help you track your reading and keep track of it to see if you're improving as a reader. So that's where we're going. Okay? Hopefully that all makes sense. And thanks.